everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. Today I create this style of hairstyle, party wear hairstyle. So let's get started into the video. Okay, first take a comb and comb thoroughly your hair that there are no tangles. While combing, be careful. Take into your hair into your palm like so. Don't comb on the dress. It will destroy your dress. Okay, now take a side partition. I am taking my right side of partition. Okay, now take a front section of hair. In that front section of your hair, leave it your front side, and back hair will be fix it a butterfly clip. Okay, now take a butterfly clip and fix it back side and leave it. Now take front section of your hair. It will divided into two equal parts. One is inner section and one is outer section. Now continue the fishtail braid. If you don't know the fishtail braid, don't worry, I already a tutorial on that fishtail braid, so I will give in the description below, and iCards also. Check out my other videos. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Fishtail braid continuously till reach your hair end. Fishtail braid is very easy. Take one inner section and one outer section. Some small part of inner section of your hair added into outer section, and outer section take small amount of hair and added into inner section. This is the procedure of fishtail braid. Now the fishtail braid is completed. Okay, take a rubber band and fix it end of the your fishtail braid. Now pull out your fishtail braid. It will give bounce of your hair. Okay, now leave the clip and adjust the hair. Now take a fishtail braid and fix it into your back side of hair with a tic tac pin. Okay, now take another side of your hair and take a part of that, okay, and twist it. Till the end of the hair and take a tic tac pin and fix it in the back side. This is the back side. So if you want leave it, you can leave it now. You don't leave it now, braid it now. Now pull the front hair if you want. It will give a bounciness of your hair. Now take back side of your hair into front side. I will braid left side, so I will take left side. Now comb your hair. Now that hair divided into 4 equal parts as I do. In that 4 equal parts, take one part of your hair, remaining 3 parts back side. And that fourth part divided into 2 equal parts and twist it. And mix it together and repeat twist, okay, until reach the end. Okay, now take a rubber band and fix it the end. Okay, now the braid start. Okay, normal braid. This is normal braid. Okay. Okay, now take a rubber band and fix it at the end of your braid. Okay, now pull out your strands. This is party wear hairstyle. If you like this, please like, share, comment in the video below. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon, never miss an update. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.